Rajarhat New Town has been declared the first smart city of West Bengal. So fasten your seatbelts and travel through time to see the future of Rajarhat New Town. Let us glide above Dum Airport, through VIP Road and touch down near City Centre 2, just across Chinna Park crossing. Let us start our journey via Bisho Bangla Shoroni, a 6-lane expressway, the lifeline of New Town. We start moving towards Akanksha crossing, keeping City Centre 2 at left. On the right comes the metro railway line that takes you to the heart of the city. We can find some landmark residential and commercial complexes en route. As we move closer to Akanksha crossing, an international standard ground, NKDA Stadium can be seen on left. From restaurants to car dealers, from corporate offices to world-class medical care units, one can find everything on this stretch. From Akanksha crossing, we take right on Bisho Bangla Shoroni towards Eco Park, keeping Eco Park, a 480-acre urban park, at right. We move towards Western Hotel, Twin Tower bus stop. On our left, we move past Mother's Wax Museum, a hot favorite tourist destination. We need to take a left from Western Hotel towards Alia University and Eco Space. Oh wait! What is a good project if it can't be accessed through multiple corners of the city? Let us rewind a little and restart our journey from Technopolis Salt Lake Sector 5, which is well connected with EM Bypass. On our way towards New Town bus stand, we zoom past major commercial complexes. From Coal India to Notrul Pitho, from TLF1 to NKDA, hundreds of offices are in this vicinity. Leaving behind Eastern High Apartments, we reach New Town bus stand crossing, a major landmark in New Town area. Let us hover above Bisho Bangla Shoroni flyover and see a host of landmarks at both sides of the bridge. Hometown DLF Galleria falls on one side while Axis Mall, Novotel Hotel falls on the other. The metro station is opposite to Pride Hotel. We continue to proceed via Robindra Tirtho. We pass by Techno India College, Ohio Hospital, Tata Medical Research Center, Newtown Police Station to reach Unitech InfoSpace crossing. From there, we take left towards Eco Space. Now, it's time for us to revisit our former route. So let us retrace our steps back to Alia University, a state government-controlled autonomous university located just beside Eco Space Business Park. Numerous business hubs, university, schools, medical centers, police station, etc. are making this place a crown jewel of Rajarhat New Town. The township project banks on these amenities to serve you a better life, a better tomorrow. We take a left turn from Eco Space Business Park to reach a crossing from where Narayana School and Amity University are very nearby. From that crossing, we take a right and continue our journey via Kalikapur Road. We can find well-established Delhi Public School on our left. Your children will have better future and you can lead a peaceful life when you stay in close proximity to so many amenities. We are now approaching Kalur More, a well-known point in this area. From Kalur More, we take left on Vishnupur Road, which is 211 bus route. After a few minutes ride on Vishnupur Road, we take right beside Magnolia Skyview project. With numerous upcoming residential projects on this route, your stay will definitely be delightful. Once you enter the gate, you will feel the beauty and bliss of life. The chirping birds will welcome you with their sweet song. sound of rushing leaves will fill your heart with happiness. Amenities like integrated park facility, jogging track and gym will surely add pleasure to your leisure time. You will be in the lap of nature without sacrificing your urban lifestyle. Truly a magnificent mixture of serenity, space and society.
Friends, let me take over from here. We have lots of exciting offers for you. Would you like an apartment in this building? A cottage like this? Maybe a country house? Or a bungalow? Or you can start from the scratch and build your own dream house on open land. This is a view of our location plan. We are here. Here are some major landmarks close to our project.